Hey there, my name is Piper, and this is my friend Yarsan, and we're going on a field trip to Mountain Rose Herbs. Our person, the traveling homesteader, is going there to pick up these really cool ingredients to make our own DIY foot salve so our feet can feel better when they get cracked in the summer. But Mountain Rose Herbs is known for all things herbs, including teas and culinary spices that you can cook with. They also have a really nice assortment of organic seeds that you can plant in your own garden. But our person also says that there's really cool resources of books and online options that Mountain Rose Herbs has through their website so that you can learn and find out different ways to make things for yourselves and your pets. Something really important to know too is how many different certifications Mountain Rose Herbs has. They made a great effort to be community minded and environmentally friendly, and they're fair trade, zero waste, USDA organic, and Oregon Till certified, and more. And that's important to me, for my daughter and I to know that we are safe and well looked after by a local company. So that's why we're so excited about our field trip.